Are you looking for a way to enjoy your backyard all year round? Do you want to create a comfortable and stylish space for family and friends to gather? If so, then you need a Summer Cove Grill Gazebo from Sunjoy. Our grill gazebos are made from premium cedar wood and feature a durable powder-coated steel roof, available in black or brown. The Aspen model features an integrated 5-volt 6-watt solar panel for charging your devices and an attractive decorative railing. Have 2 built-in shelves for storing cutlery, grilling accessories, or anything else you need. They're perfect for outdoor grilling, barbecuing, and backyard gatherings. They're also easy to assemble, so you can start enjoying your new outdoor living space in no time. So what are you waiting for? Order your Summer Cove Grill Gazebo today and start enjoying the outdoors.